Well, last night on the Night Beat, we showed you a defender's investigation into the legal sale of synthetic urine in Texas. It is allowed on store shelves, yet it's marketed as a way to beat a drug test.
Yeah, tonight, Myra Arthur shares how that investigation could help outlaw synthetic urine in the state and shares a story of a woman who tried to get away with using it but failed.
This is my 8th felony conviction.
Emily began abusing drugs at the age of 13.
I had the desire to stop. I had the desire to change my life.
Those desires still with her today.
I wanted it to get better, but the other side of me still wanted to get high.
In February, Emily tried to use synthetic urine to pass a drug test, and she failed. The sale of synthetic urine is perfectly legal in Texas, despite the product being advertised online as a way to beat a drug test. We went undercover and listened to what a store clerk told us.
It works great though. I used to be in aviation. I used them like 3 times.
During our initial investigation, we asked State Representative Trey Martinez Fisher about the issue. And since then, he's taken legislative action in Austin.
There has been this proliferation of synthetic urine in San Antonio that people are selling in retail establishments to use while they're drug testing. This just makes it very clear that that is against the law.
And then I took it a step further and said it's also illegal to manufacture or distribute or intend to deliver synthetic urine, when you know it's being used to circumvent a drug test.
And I'll see you in court next week, so be ready.
Bexar County Drug Court Judge Ernie Glenn agrees the sale of synthetic urine should be illegal, but he's hesitant.
Let's face it. First of all, when you look at drugs like heroin, cocaine, methamphetamine, they're already illegal, and that didn't stop people from using them.
As for Emily, she hopes to stay on the road to recovery and share her experience with other addicts looking to cheat the system.
I couldn't do it anymore. I didn't want to spend the rest of my life in prison.
House Bill 1212, amended by Representative Martinez Fisher, has now passed out of the House and is in the hands of the Senate. We have a link online where you can follow the progress of this bill. Just go to ksat.com and click on this story. Myra Arthur, KSAT 12 News.
Now, the defenders contacted Magnum Detox, but a spokesperson refused to answer any questions about the product or its intended use.